This is one of my most asked questions, so let's go ahead and get into it. First things first is obviously getting to college and then claiming your major as health and physical education. But just because you decide your major to be health and physical education as a freshman, you really don't get into those classes until the end of your sophomore year, but definitely your junior year. But for physical education, you're actually in a whole different department outside of education. By that, I mean you don't graduate through the College of Education, you graduate through the College of Health and Human Performance. Once your junior year hits, you actually have to be accepted into what's called upper division. And once you're into upper division program, that's when you can get into your student teaching, your observation hours, and really anything involving classroom teaching and health and PE. And what a lot of people don't know is that we actually have to pass a physical test to get into upper division. My physical test for upper division included the PACER test. Everyone knows the PACER test. Yes, us PE teachers to get into upper division had to take that. We did a sit-up test. We did a upper body test. It was sort of like pull-ups, but a little bit different. And then some flexibility tests. Once you're into upper division, I would say it's smooth sailing, but it's really not. Your schedule only gets busier. For me, once I was into upper division, my junior year was the most fun because every class was sports-based. I was going to school in my workout clothes every day because we were doing basketball, badminton, volleyball, weightlifting, all these super fun classes. The second half of your senior year is when you spend every single day doing your internship at another school. During that process, not only are you teaching every day, but you also have to complete what's called EdTPA. And if you know, you know. EdTPA was the worst. But once you pass that, and you will pass that, you are on the road to getting your teaching license, and then the only other thing you have to do is pass your Praxis. Your Praxis 1 and your Praxis 2 is a test that you have to take to actually get that teaching license. For a lot of other majors, your senior year is smooth sailing, carefree, you don't have a lot going on, but for teachers, it was so crazy. Once you pass EdTPA, Praxis 1, and Praxis 2, you've got your teaching license, and then you just apply to schools. I hope this video helps, and let me know if there's any other questions I can help with.